Let's take a closer look at this Haden Model 75061 Heritage Innovative 12-Cup Coffee Maker. It's a very unique design. The retro look is very classic, and you can see here that it has a very standard 12-cup craft associated with it on the heating plate. You put the coffee in your filters from the top and your water, all very standard features in a coffee maker. This is a very nice unit. It has many different features on the front, all the way from the brewing type, how long you can do some time sets, you can do a different strength. I highly recommend this coffee brewing pot by Haden.